Ever found yourself wishing for a simpler, more secure way to manage your digital assets? No more clunky hardware wallets, no more complicated software interfaces, just pure, unadulterated control right in the palm of your hand. If that sounds like a dream, then you're about to discover something truly revolutionary, the Tangem NFC tag. For years, the world of cryptocurrency and digital asset management has been dominated by two main approaches: hot wallets, which are convenient but inherently less secure due to their online nature, and cold wallets, which offer robust security but often at the cost of ease of use. This constant tug-of-war between security and convenience has left many users feeling like they have to compromise. But what if there was a third path? A solution that marries the best of both worlds, offering the ironclad security of cold storage with the effortless accessibility of a simple tap? That's precisely where the Tangem NFC tag steps in, redefining what we thought was possible for personal digital asset security. So, what exactly is a Tangem NFC tag? At its core, it's a credit card-sized physical card embedded with an NFC, near-field communication, chip. But don't let its humble appearance fool you. This isn't just any ordinary NFC tag, it's a sophisticated piece of hardware designed from the ground up to securely store your cryptocurrency private keys. Think of it as your personal, ultra-secure vault for your digital wealth, always within reach but impenetrable to online threats. The magic happens when you combine this physical card with your smartphone. With a simple tap of the Tangem card to your NFC-enabled phone, you can instantly access, manage, and transact with your digital assets. There are no complicated setups, no seed phrases to write down, unless you choose to back up your card, and no lengthy synchronization processes. It's an intuitive, user-friendly experience that democratizes cold storage, making it accessible to everyone, not just tech-savvy crypto veterans. One of the most compelling aspects of the Tangem NFC tag is its commitment to security. Each card is equipped with an EAL6 Plus certified secure element, the same level of security found in many bank cards and passports. This means your private keys are generated and stored directly on the chip, never leaving the card, and are virtually impervious to hacking attempts. Furthermore, the Tangem system eliminates the need for seed phrase recovery in the traditional sense. Instead, you can link up to 3 Tangem cards together, allowing any 2 of them to recover your wallet, providing a robust backup solution without the inherent risks of written seed phrases. Beyond just cryptocurrency, the potential applications of Tangem NFC tags extend to various forms of digital assets and even digital identity. Imagine securely storing your NFTs, decentralized identity credentials, or even digital keys for smart homes, all on a single, convenient card. The possibilities are truly exciting, paving the way for a future where our digital lives are not only more secure but also effortlessly managed. The beauty of the Tangem NFC tag lies in its elegant simplicity and unwavering focus on security. It's a testament to how innovative hardware can bridge the gap between complex blockchain technology and everyday usability. It offers a tangible, trustworthy solution in a digital world often plagued by uncertainty. It empowers you to be your own bank, with complete control over your assets, all from a device that fits in your wallet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.